Best quotes from Forex Trading by Jim. Chapter 1 Quotes from pages 11 to 12. 1. Traders have been using these for years as they stand the test of time. 2. If you follow the instructions there you shouldn't have any problems, but if you do then feel free to contact me. 3. It is up to the individual whether you want to use this or whether you would rather design your own. Chapter 2 Quotes from pages 13 to 14. 1.no1 and, I repeat, no one knows where price is going next. 2. What works exceptionally well for one trader may be a complete dog to another trader. This is just the way it is. 3. A favorite saying of mine when it comes to trading is patience, courage, and discipline. Chapter 3 Quotes from pages 15 to 17. 1. Some of the most successful trading methods trade pullbacks or retracements in a major trend, and that is exactly what this does. 2. But having said that, you could also trade this against the major trend if you so desired. Although, why swim against the tide? 3. I look for the MAs to be stacked so that there is an obvious trend either up or down. For this trading method to work, you don't actually need to display the QQADV on your charts, but you have to have it uploaded onto your platform to ensure the QMP filter works. Chapter 4 Quotes from pages 18 to 19. 1. If the moving averages were stacked to the upside, and there was an upward pointing yellow arrow, then I have 2 trend confirming scenarios. Therefore, I would only prefer to take buy trades on the 1-hour chart. 2. If you had conflicting signals, then you may choose to step aside and look at another pair or wait for a clearer trend. Chapter 5 Quotes from pages 20 to 22. 1. If the chart was in an up buy trend, then we are looking for blue dots forming on the MCD platinum below the 0 level. 2. Once the QMP filter blue dot is confirmed by the closing of the current candle, the buy trade would be taken on the open of the new candle. 3. You will be impressed with how simple the method is and the large number of successful trades that it produces, but like any trading system, it is not perfect. I will now discuss a few ideas on trade management and some of the pitfalls of trading this way. Chapter 6 Quotes from pages 23 to 24. 1. The choice is yours. 2. Every buy or sell signal is treated as an individual trade, where they are managed separately. 3. In a perfect scenario, you would see 1. On MACD platinum either side of the 0 level where it basically goes from sell to buy to sell to buy to sell, etc. When the trend does eventually change direction, your stop will get you out completely and there will be no new trades taken until a new trend is identified or the original trend resumes. 5. Whichever way you choose to identify your trades, this is the smart way to trade this method and certainly the safest. Chapter 7 Quotes from pages 25 to 30. 1. You are with the trend and you see a red dot on the MCD platinum that is above the 0 level and is confirmed by a red dot on the QMP filter, but instead of price heading down, it heads up. 2. Now you can see why money management is important, as you have to be able to add to your position exponentially. 3. Even if you manage to exit after trade number 4 at overall break even, trade number 5 would have been an excellent standalone trade anyway. And notice how small a distance price had to travel from the break-even level to achieve plus 500 pips. I have since found that taking hedge trades may also reduce the overall risk. 5. Spend time on historical charts to see how the patterns form and what you think you would be comfortable with. Chapter 8 Quotes from pages 31 to 33. 1. The MCD platinum tends to want to come back to the 0 level when it extends away from it on either side. 2. Look at most charts and you will see the MCD platinum continuously going from one side of the 0 level to the other and then back. 3.1 thing I want to make clear here is that I am providing you with a framework of a trading method. I encourage you to find your own way to trade. 5. You have to live and breathe it where you are ready for anything as you recognize the patterns or the moves your particular financial instrument makes. 6. Not even consider risking serious money until you are proficient and comfortable with the method you are using. Chapter 9 quotes from pages 34 to 37. 1. You do not have to take every trade, just the ones that look like a good setup to you. 2. Now whether this is a trend line from the chart time frame, you are trading, or even a higher time frame, it is up to you. 3. Withdrawing trend lines, don't get caught up with being too precise. For do what is easy for you. Chapter 10 quotes from pages 38 to 40. 1. Divergence can be a very powerful confirmation tool. 2. Even though it can be quite reliable as a standalone signal, I would be reluctant to use it without any other type of confirmation. 3. Whatever your thing is, feel free to use that, but have a look at what I am offering here, and you may be able to incorporate it into your own method, and they may actually complement each other. For I personally like to throw my fib tool on the daily charts, as it provides a good idea of where price is at or where it may head next. Chapter 11 quotes from pages 41 to 43. 1. Contrary to popular belief, the entry is really not that critical. 2. We have all heard that we should cut our losers quickly and let our winners run. 3. Not listen to the crowd or be influenced by others. Do your own testing and do what is right for you. For the trick is to learn from them so you don't make the same mistake again. 5. To make things easier, you could use a simple and freely available position size calculator. Chapter 12 quotes from pages 44 to 46. 1. Don't write off that trading opportunity as you may be in a position to look for a re-entry. 2. You may have to reassess your stop-loss position, which may in turn require a position size adjustment to fit in with your money management plan. 3. A buy-stop order is where price is currently below your preferred entry point, so you are looking for price to head up and fill your order, and then hopefully continue up. 4. I rarely use them as I don't know where a market is going to turn, hence I like to pick orders up in the trend direction, which is by the use of stop orders. Chapter 13 quotes from pages 47 to 50. 1. No one knows how long a trend will last. 2. Traders are capitalists in my opinion, as they do enjoy making money. 3. How many pips is enough for you? For I like experiencing some profit locked in and being in overall can't lose position. 5. There are many options and the decision is yours. Chapter 14 quotes from pages 51 to 52. 1. If you prefer the shorter time frames like the 5-minute or 15-minute charts, then you may wish to consider only trading at certain times of the day. 2. If you do have the time and you can monitor the higher time frame charts, then I would strongly suggest you go with them. 3. But if you must trade the lower time frames, then ensure you are aware of any major news releases coming out during your trading session. For there is no need to get out of open trades, but you have to be ready for anything and then act quickly if things go against you. 5. A resource that is quite good for the news that can be filtered to suit your time zone and specific requirements is the Forex Factory Calendar. Chapter 15 quotes from pages 56 to 57. 1. Go in small initially to get a feel for it. 2. You can always increase sizes later when you are comfortable. 3. Money management is critical when trading this way. For higher reward normally goes hand in hand with higher risk. 5. A smart trader would seize this opportunity to exit all trades and then patiently wait for the next trade setup. 6. Confusion sets in, and the not-so-smart trader now can't decide on what action to take. Chapter 16 quotes from pages 58 to 60. 1. Don't be afraid to take a loss, even if it was a little bigger than you expected to take. 2. There will be plenty of new trading signals coming along that will eventually make up for it. 3. Learn from your mistake if you made one, and then put it out of your mind. 4. Refocus and get back in the groove. Chapter 17 quotes from pages 61 to 64. 1. Trust me. You do not want to be caught with too many open trades in one direction if at all possible. 2. If the MACD Platinum crosses the zero level, I would strongly suggest you immediately move all stops to overall break even or even consider your exit options. 3. There are many options here, so the spreadsheet can be a very handy tool. 4. Patience. Chapter 18 quotes from pages 65 to 68. 1. Take from this what you wish. 2. I cannot emphasize money management enough and how important it is. 3. Determine a major trend and only trade with that trend. 4. You will see many potential trading opportunities every day, and it will surprise you how simplistic this system is.